Dr. Honey, Dr. Faith Abraham, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to be talking about how to make money in 2022. Now, this video is broken up into 3 segments. The intro, hello, where we are right now, the breakdown. I literally give you a step-by-step. I draw it out for you. Yes, because I am an artiste. I draw it out and map it out for you, and then this last part of the video. So once we do the editing, I'll kind of get the timestamps so that way you can follow along better. But here is the preface before we get into this clip. The preface is 2022 is a different year. Now, before COVID, before the shutdowns, and before a lot of people, quarantines and all of that, you know, staying in the physical realm of business, or, you know, planning out your business strategy with only considering the physical aspect, brick and mortar, you know, t-shirts and physical tangible stuff, great. However, upon 2022, February, March specifically, we saw that the digital online world is where it's at. It's actually where it's always been at, honestly. When you look at YouTube, you look at social media, you look at University of Phoenix, actually, University, a Higher Place Christian University, a lot of these schools that have a lot of their curriculum online, like 70% of the curriculum online. That was a precursor into where we are. It's just coronavirus forced a lot more people to go digital and go online. And so with that being said, how to make money in 2022, it's going to require you to step into that realm of the digital space, of the online space, and I'm not going to leave you hanging. I got you. In this next segment, I'm going to show you exactly what to do. So make sure you get a pen, get a piece of paper, and not only map out the strategy for yourself, you know, using whatever gift, talent, skills, abilities that you have, but also to really see the concept and the business strategy that I'm handing over for you. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and tell me this, actually. Tell me if you are ready for the digital era, because we're already in it. I was talking about the universities, but we haven't even talked about Udemy and all these other platforms that have been pushing out and helping people get their knowledge out to the masses. It's here, it's not going anywhere. Join in, watch this segment, next segment of the video, and we're gonna come back on the 3rd segment, and we're gonna talk in the comments. Of course, let's get into it. All right. So if you're going, let's say you're a brick and mortar, or you have like a lot of physical products, and you're wanting to go from here to here and begin to have some digital content. So let's call this part 2 of the video, right? Have digital content and some products. First of all you have to do is take, for some of you, not all of you, but for some of you, take your physical product and offer it online. Literally, that's all you're gonna do. And like I said, I love to use Vonza because they do have a really great tracking system so that you know what you have in store, what you don't have in store. But also too, if you have a physical offer online and you want to complement that physical offer with a digital product, Vonza allows you to have both digital products and physical products. So like that right there just puts them above water. Like it just gives you a completely different way of operating. Okay. Then number 2, let's say you have a physical business, like a physical service. And it could even be, let's say you're a hairdresser, right? You do hair and you're wanting to have something that's online. Well, what you do is you now create digital content that can be offered in the form of a digital product. Okay, so let's say we're talking about how to maintain curly hair. I know I drew her with straight hair, but she has curly hair. Like how to maintain your curls, how to grow your hair back after having kids. What you're gonna do is you're gonna pick a specific topic or a specific problem that people have, and then you're going to record a video, just like this. Record a video. You can do a PDF, right? You can have a checklist and tell them, okay, go buy this, right? And have all of that in the course, y'all. And the whole purpose and intention of the course is to help the curly hair maintain her curls and grow her hair back after having a baby. And notice how specific that is, but that makes it even better the more specific it is, because then people are like, yeah, that is totally for me. By you taking that physical thing that maybe you do in the shop, in the salon, and now you're streamlining it into something that the intention is to help the people, and then you create videos and you create, PDFs, and you can even input your hair if you have curly hair, and you can input other people's, hair and show it at the first time you see them to 3 months later, 6 months later, right? Like that's the PDF. And then you're like, look, here are the products that you're going to get, and, put your Amazon link in there. Bam, now you have a checklist. You've just taken a physical service and streamlined it down into a digital product or digital content. So will they still come to you? Because I know this is one thing that business owners always say, well, if I put it digital, then they're never going to come to me. On the contraire, mon frere. Sometimes people, they may have the digital, but because you're so good at what you do and you show them in the PDF that you can get them results, they'll still come to you. Did you see that? Oh God, so sorry. Did you see that? I got excited. Wait a minute. And that's the thing people don't understand. Like it's going to pay off either way, both ways. Okay. But now they don't have to wait to come to you, and you don't have to wait for people to come to you, because you already have a digital product. You have it on your Avanza platform. People are literally shopping at any given point in time of the day, and they're buying your stuff, and you can be sleeping or working on somebody else's head and you're making money. That's how powerful digital products are. That's how powerful it is to take what you can do with your hands and streamline it into something. So sorry about the lighting here, guys. Streamline it into something that is digital. Super powerful. Okay, look, I could have left it there. That, what I just broke down for you in that little segment right there, is literally what you pay, a part of what you pay when you go to a business coach and they're sitting down and helping you strategize and mapping out your business into six figures, especially in 2022. But I just gave that to you for the free 99. And now let's take it a step further, okay? So upon seeing that, what it now comes down to is you saying, okay, let me back up. What it comes down to is you now saying, having confidence in the gift, the skill, the talent, the knowledge that you have, and being willing to share that with the world so that people can now willingly compensate you for this knowledge that you're giving to them. It's just that simple. And I say confidence. It's not about the money. It's not about a coach. It's not about all those things are factors, but the number one main factor is your confidence. You being confident enough to share. I literally wrote a book called Christ Confidence. And at that time, if we say on a scale of 1 to 10, this is what confidence is. At the time of writing that book, I had probably picked up my confidence from a 3 to a 5. But I felt so inclined and motivated to write something, because I said at least 1s to 4s or 1 to 5s, 4.5 can gain something. And while they're reading the book, I'm not going to stop at a 5. I'm going to go ahead and keep moving on up to 7, 8, 9, 10, right? I'm going to move up the scale, but there's still a whole segment of people who need what I have to offer. So it's the same thing with you. You may not be the best of the best. You may not be upper echelon with all the degrees and all the stuff behind you, but you are good. Wherever you fall on the scale, fine, fall on the scale and give those people that are coming up towards where you are something to use while you're still growing. And then now you're increasing your pool of people as you go up the scale. Then that gives you more that you can offer a lot more people. That's as visual as I can get it to you, okay? So get your gift, get your talent, get your skill, and find a way to package it just like I showed you on the breakdown. Now, if you have a physical business already, kudos to you. Now it's just a matter of taking the physicalities of your business and breaking it down into something that's digestible online or through video or through a PDF or a book or a PowerPoint presentation, right? This is all that's happening right now, and this is literally where we're going. I wish I saved it, but there's a university that literally said that they've been a physical campus for years, and they said that they're going 100% online. Major, okay? That is major, and it just tells you where we're going as a society and where business and the industries are headed to. Okay. Now, the other thing I want to share with you, and just to wrap this all up, is what I showed you. You may have to watch it again. Please watch it again, because if it's new to you, it's a brand new concept. You're probably going to have to watch it over and over again for it to sink in, and then now I see what I can do. Oh, that's what she meant. Okay, you start seeing yourself in the strategy I laid out for you. So watch it again, but also too, don't feel like you have to just do it all on your own and you just have to figure it all out. You don't. That's what business coaches are for. That's what business strategists like myself are for. We can do it in a way that will fit you as a person, how that looks in your brand, if you're already established, if you're an influencer, just depending on where you are, we can find a way. And of course, it's not even find, I'm just going to discover it, because that's what I do. I just uncover your superpower. I uncover it, and then we now apply it into that model that I just showed you, and we make it work for you. So if you need my help, feel free to use the links in the description. You can easily go to my link, smart.bio/drfaith, and that will allow you to create a consultation with me, so that we can at least see if we're a good fit first before we get into all of that. Because I also know that I'm not for everyone, and that's perfectly okay. But the people I am for, we need to link. For sure. So you can do that, and then again, watch the video again. All right. If you have any questions, if I need to elaborate on anything, let me know in the comments. If you like this video and this video was like whiz bang the thing, then subscribe, and let me know in the comments. I definitely appreciate it, and look forward to bringing you heavy hitting content like this again soon.